my goodness. What position do you play?
Winger.
You are a winger. You want to be like Neymar? Neymar Jr. You know Neymar Jr.?
Neymar.
Oh, he's Neymar. Yeah, Neymar plays for Brazil. Oh, and that's Barcelona.
Yes.
Oh, okay. I support Manchester United.
Me
You know
too.
Manchester United?
Yes, yes.
We played last night.
Argentina.
This morning. Yeah, John can dance. Come on, let's go.
Gali Kripa. Gali Kripa.
This is Pandesa. They call it Malungai. Malungai, right? Malungai. Welcome to yet another video. Right now at the sports complex within the city of Meycauayan. That's where I am. I just met my friends here. They came to jog. They like exercising, and yeah.
Look. How about him? Just comment. Comment him.
Yeah, look at them. They're looking so fit. They are fit.
Not everyone. Just me. Him, no, I don't.
Yes, we used to come to this place to jog every morning, right? We used to do about 5Ks every day of jogging. So it feels good to come back to this place, you know, and just see what's going on. You know, a lot of people are keeping fit. They are bikers also trying to practice from here. So if you are in the city of Meycauayan, you should come here and do your jogging. Yeah, it's good to be here. So relaxing. Sometimes you can just do a walk around like we are doing right now. We are just walking because we can't jog anymore. It's getting hot right now. The temperatures are so high. So John,
Yo, man.
tell us about your jogging experience here.
Yeah, it's fun. Every time you meet a lot of people,
Yeah.
new people around. Because in the Philippines, when you are black, it's always good. Yeah, everyone greets you. Like,
Yeah.
Hi, Joe. Everyone is called Joe.
Joe.
Yeah.
Yeah. I've noticed that. Noticed that a lot of people say Joe.
Joe.
So
yeah.
I didn't know what it meant, and I'm like, am I Joe? No, I'm not Joe.
Yeah,
I'm
the-
David.
Yeah, it's just the common name that they used to give to all foreigners.
Oh?
Even white people.
Yeah.
Even white people,
When they don't know your name.
yeah, when they
just
don't know
call
your
you
name,
Joe.
they used to call you Joe.
Joe.
Hi, Joe, like
Oh.
everyone.
You know, I didn't know. I just realized it because I asked Chris. I'm like, but why are they calling me Joe? I'm not Joe.
Yeah.
I'm David. And then it's like, no, that's how they call, you know, everyone, every foreigner, they call them Joe. And then I'm like, oh, okay. Yeah. Hello. Morning, Maganda Numaga. Yeah, sure.
They say Joe.
Yeah. So that's how it is. So they call everyone Joe. If you are just a foreigner. I don't know about women. Is it the same with women? They also call them Joe, or
They say mom,
it's
they
just
say mom or ate, something like that.
or it's only
Yeah, it's only men.
guys. It's only for men.
Based on our experience, it's just only men.
It's only men. Ah, okay. So every man is a Joe. Oh my goodness.
Joining.
You have to put a net here. You don't have a net. A net.
Yes, sure.
Let's go.
Oh, you let's see. What is it that you're playing? Oh, this is volleyball. Oh my goodness. They are bowling without a net, imagine. Okay, I'll stand here. Oh, you seem good. Yeah. Nice one. Come on, oh. You were supposed to spike. Oh. Ooh. Don't break somebody's car. Or maybe it's your car. Is it? Oh, okay. Just be careful. I'm coming right there.
Yeah. Perfect.
They're calling me. They really want to know a little bit about me. Yes, Zambian nomad.
Samyan.
Yeah, anong pangalan mo?
Sakayus.
Sakayus. How about you?
Cypress.
How about you? How about you?
Asher.
How about you?
Clyde.
How about you? Okay, nice to meet you guys. So what
Playing football in your country?
Yeah.
You are playing football in your country. So you can understand Filipino.
Conti la. I only know how to greet.
Oh
Yeah, I can say
Pakistan.
I can say magandang umaga, magandang hapon.
Kamusta? You know what is kamusta?
Kamusta? I know kamusta. I know kumain.
Yes.
Kumain. Yeah. What else do I know? Marites.
Marites. Marites.
Are you Marites? Are you Marites?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So you like you like gossiping, I can see. No, I'm just joking. I'm just joking.
You are playing football in your country.
No, I don't play football, but I like football. Yeah, I like. How about do you play football? That's Brazil. You play football?
Yes.
Wait, which team do you play for?
Eagles FC.
Eagles?
Eagles.
Oh, okay. Under 15?
Yes.
How did I know? I guessed that right.
Yes.
You are in under 15. Okay. Wishing you all the best. Well, what position do you play?
Winger.
You are a winger. You want to be like Neymar?
Yes.
Neymar Jr. You know Neymar Jr.?
Neymar.
Oh, he's Neymar. Yeah, Neymar plays for Brazil. Oh, and that's Barcelona.
Yes.
Oh, okay. I support Manchester United.
Me
You know
too.
Manchester United?
Yes.
We played this
Sometime.
morning. We drew.
What team?
Bournemouth.
No.
Yeah, you know Bournemouth? Oh, it's an English team.
England.
Yeah. So I support Manchester. And how about you? Do you like football?
In him.
You like football? Which team do you support?
Which team you support now?
Ano, Manchester City.
Oh, Manchester City. And Real Madrid. Yeah, Real Madrid is good. Real Madrid is good. But they are in the Champions League.
Yes.
They are facing each other.
3-3.
Yeah, the last game was 3-3, right?
Yes.
Yeah, they'll face each other this week. Oh, did you watch the match? No? Why? You should watch. I do watch matches, but the problem is, matches here starts early in the morning around 4. Yeah, 3. So it's difficult to keep up. Yeah, but in my country where I come from, at least we used to watch them at night. Yeah. So that's the reason why you don't watch football here, maybe. Yeah. Okay, nice to meet you guys. Enjoy yourselves. Enjoy your jogging. Have you already jogged?
Yes.
Or you're going back to jog? Play basketball. You're already done. Okay, nice to meet you guys. Bye bye.
Nice to meet you too.
Love you.
Okay. I love you too. Sorry? No, I don't have any. I have, but I left them. Yeah. I would have given you one. So it's always nice to be around these kids, you know. I like it when I have interactive kids. You know, it's already getting hot. Look at John playing football now. They're playing football. They should have put a football pitch as well. Jeff, can you play football? Really? I'm a bad footballer. I'm just good at supporting, but not playing.
Most of the people who support too much, they don't know how to play.
Yeah, and we know a lot about football.
Yeah, it's to know. It's just to know.
Yeah.
But not like practice acting.
Yeah, not acting.
Yeah.
Just
Information.
we know the formations. Because that's where, you know, we put our efforts in learning how the game is played.
In judging players. Why Neymar don't do this?
Come on, you should have cut. should have shot the ball.
Game is over.
What happened? What happened? Okay. Hello guys. Well, what's happening here? Making practicing?
Practicing Zumba.
Can I watch? I want to watch. Yeah, can. John, you can join them. Yeah, John can dance. Come on, let's go. Go, I like that move. How do you call that move?
Nice move.
Let me, maybe.
Teach me another one. Yeah, teacher.
Yeah,
there is an instructor.
Oh, there's an instructor. A choreographer. Show us some moves. No, just show us some moves.
Show us the move, I will follow.
Yeah, we're gonna follow. We're gonna follow your moves. Jeff, can you come and we would like to do the dancing.
The son is the coach.
We call it's from Jamaica. Because it's called Gali Kripa. Gali Kripa. Like you can just step your right foot and then step it.
I know what's dancing.
I can teach you also that dance trend here in the Philippines. We call it budots.
Let's go. Budo.
Wait, teach ako ng kanta.
Okay.
Budots is the most iconic song in the Philippines. Budots.
You know, Filipinos are good dancers. Good dancers, good singers. Wait, let me show you something. I'll show you something.
What's the name again? What's the name again?
The name of the dance. Maybe you can try to pause.
Should I more banners?
It's this one has gone like beyond everybody.
Hey, say hello to me. Hi, vlog.
Show the instruction.
You haven't come across that. It's trending. It's trending. They have a lot of dances about
Yeah,
this.
that's the menu.
Is it Afro?
Yeah,
Afro.
yeah.
I also tried dancing Afro.
You also try?
Oh yeah.
There's a Filipino.
Which one is trending in Philippines?
Like this one? Is it Afro or dancehall?
But is it done? No, you just messed
Yeah,
up.
just
Miss
I don't think I can
Their
dance
practice.
that.
Most iconic dancing dance group in the Philippines.
No.
Genesis, this team Genesis.
so she's famous.
No, I'm not famous, but
We are
group I am
talking to a
famous.
celebrity right now. Oh my goodness.
Can you sign here something?
I'm going. Yeah, I need your.
They're just kidding.
I need it, please.
Can I take a picture with you?
All right. See you guys.
Thank you,
Take
brother.
care.
Thank
Enjoy.
you, thank you.
Okay.
My work is done.
Yeah, that's very good. We have badminton here.
Ay, what's up, kuya? Kamusta ka?
What's
Bread na.
this is what's that?
Every-
No,
after
I know
practice.
this one.
How you call it?
What pandesa? So malunga is moringa.
Is moringa?
Yeah, moringa is malunga.
Really?
Malunga, yeah. This leaves. This is moringa. So this bread, on this bread they sprinkle the moringa leaves on top. That's why they call it malunga.
Moringa.
Yeah.
Oh.
The other name is pandesa. 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 I like this. You know, we always have this for breakfast. Malunga.
This is live baking.
Yeah, it's baking on the go. Yeah, it's a portable bakery. It's baking on the go. That's how innovative Filipino people are. Thank you, sir.
How much kuya? Gusto mo dyan eh.
Mm. So if you are in Meycauayan and you happen to come to the complex, you can go get the best coffee lattes here at Cafe Moto.
Ayun na, yun.
Yung nano
This is where you can get the best coffee.
yung nandun sa may...
They have all flavors here. All types of latte. They have Spanish latte, vanilla latte, and everything. It's the best for you. Okay.
Palagi kape.
All right. Bye-bye. Thank you. Yeah, man. You forgot something.